So I'm going to fly Spirit. I have flown Spirit before. Spirit Airlines is a freaking learning curve, okay? So I'm like, I need a bag that they are not gonna say anything about. I put on Spirit personal bags, and it gave me this one. I got it, I don't know if it's still on sale, but this color, this is a specific color, I got it on sale for $21.99, and it had an extra like 20% off coupon. So it fits the size of the Spirit personal bag item thing that's on their website, the new one. It has a place for your laptop or iPad, whatever you need to put here, and look how big it is. Like, it has this thing on the side where you can connect a portable charger. Just get your phone charger and like, bam, easy, convenience. Hello. I also love the fact that where is the backpack? But also, bam, hello. Yes. They make you put like your personal items underneath the front seat behind you. So I'm gonna put it there, and then when we get to our destination, bam. Okay, kids, let's go. You know, walk down the aisle of the airplane. I also love this big old pockets in the front. I can put our passports here, and I have a little wallet that my mom got me from Puerto Rico that you can put like your ID and just, you know, your most important cards here. I also love the fact that, bam, look at this, look at this. I can be hydrated. Just put this through TSA empty, no water in here, and then get water on the other side on Starbucks if they have Starbucks or something like that. But bam! What? 3-4 a.m. in the airport, but I'm gonna be styling with my cup and my new bags. Is it a week before? Yes, it is. Am I still gonna pack it? Yes, I am. So I'm gonna pack it, and once I get through TSA and all that stuff, I'm gonna give you guys an update to see how well this did, because I'm so excited for this. But if you want it, it's on my you know what. I'm gonna put it there, and you can get it there, okay? I'm styling at the airport. What?